In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide the header and footer on a web page using CSS. This simple yet effective technique can help you create a cleaner and more streamlined viewing experience on your website. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to head over to the web page you wish to edit. Once there, locate the Edit Page option. This is usually found on the top navigation bar or within your website builder's dashboard. Clicking on it will open up various settings and tools you can use to customize your page. Now that you're in the edit mode, look for the Page Settings button. This might be labeled slightly differently depending on your platform, but it typically allows you to adjust different features of your page. Once you find it, click on it and a new menu should appear. Within the Page Settings menu, you'll see various options like General Settings, SEO, and more. What we're interested in today is the Advanced section. Click on it, and this will lead you to options that allow for deeper customization of your web page. Once you're in the Advanced section, you should notice an option to add custom CSS. CSS, or Cascading Style Sheets, is a language used to style and lay out web pages. By adding CSS, you can hide elements like headers and footers that you might not want visible. Now, enter your CSS code. The code you'll need to use here is simple. Type in header at display none, followed by footer at display none. This code tells the web browser to hide the header and footer sections of your web page effectively, giving your site a cleaner look. Make sure to double check that everything is typed correctly to avoid any errors. Once you've entered the CSS, the next step is to save your changes. Look for the Save button, which is typically located at the bottom of the Settings menu. Clicking this will apply the CSS to your web page, ensuring the header and footer are hidden from view. And there you have it. You've successfully hidden the header and footer on your web page using CSS. This technique is not only handy for decluttering your site, but also gives it a modern aesthetic that many users prefer. If you ever need to revert these changes, simply go back into the CSS settings, remove or comment out the code, and save again. Remember, this process can vary slightly depending on the platform you're using, so always consult your specific website builder's documentation if you run into any trouble. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tips on enhancing your web design skills.